Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Mindy, your sex therapist, and today we're going to dive into the Rabbit Company's latest vibe, the Rolling Rabbit. Just like any Rabbit Company product, this vibe offers high quality material. It's silky smooth, it's lightweight, it's really easy to hold and use the control buttons here. But this vibe has a lot of questions and a lot of pleasure that it offers. So what we see right away here is the curve in the neck with the textured ripple. That is going to be for G-spot stimulation. We also see we have the ripples here. This is for added stimulation. But the most interesting and unique piece that I'm sure you are wondering about is this little curled arm here. This flexible curled arm is all about clitoral stimulation. As you can see, it's really flexible, it's really bendy, so you don't have to worry about it hurting in any way. It's going to form to your body. And there are two motors on this vibe. Here we have the G-spot motor, but they also put in a second clitoral motor. So this is going to give a lot of pleasure. It's pretty intense. It's a great vibe if you are looking to take your G-spot orgasms and clitoral orgasms to the next level. I'm Dr. Mindy, your sex therapist, and this is the Rolling Rabbit. Now go out and have great